So we're doing a impeller prop swap today on a 97 Yamaha Superjet 701. Going to be installing a Impros hooker impeller. It comes with a remover and installer tool. And it's marked on the inside of the cone. Remove the ride plate with 4 12mm bolts. Next thing you want to do is remove the steering. Slide this collar back and it pops right off. The next thing I'll be removing is the engine intake water hose. And on the left side, the bilge suction hose. To remove the 4 pump mounting bolts to the bottom of the tray. And once I get those out, I'm going to try wiggling this thing out of here and see if it comes out in one piece. As you can see, the prop is right there. It looks like an aftermarket one. They do make a drive shaft holder remover tool. I don't have one of those, but depending on how tight this was put on, I may be able to get away with putting some heater hose on the drive shaft with a couple of vice grips, and maybe it'll come loose for me. Otherwise, I'll have to be getting that tool. They're about $8 on eBay. I've removed the little pump rubber cone piece. So with this setup here that I contracted, rubber heater hose with a couple vice grips to protect the input shaft, and a 7/8 wrench on the provided tool that my new impeller came with. I was able to smack it probably 15 times, and eventually it broke it loose. So that could have been depending on how tight the previous person put this prop in, but if it's the OEM factory impeller and it's never been off, you may definitely need to have the drive shaft holder tool that goes on these splines right here. So my next step here is I'm going to take the prop off and see what pitch this one is. Hopefully it's not the same pitch. I have the old impeller out now. It's a little dinged up, a little pitted. Could probably use a little deburring. But it turns out it is a 915 Impros hooker freestyle prop, so probably just gonna end up putting it back in. I'm gonna put this thing back together after I clean up all these nicks, and yeah, it's just the same steps in reverse order. Thanks for watching. And just one last quick and friendly reminder from all of us here at Booster Seat: we are in no way, shape, or form responsible for injuries to you or damages to your machine. This video was intended for aid use only, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos.